make the camp and suggested that he should bring me back when I was a little older. My induction into the Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure but for Ajit's insistence. My induction. Induction means what? The process of introducing to a new job or skill. Induction means the process of introducing to a new job or skill. My induction into the Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure but for Ajit's insistence. Sachin thought he could not join in the Mumbai cricket circuit, but because of Ajit's insistence, Sir agreed him to join in the team. Having seen me play in the colony, Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Achrekar Sir. Ajit knew that Sachin could perform better than he had done in front of Achrekar Sir because he had seen his playing in the colony. However, he suggested that while doing so, Sir should pretend to go away and then watch from a distance. Sachin asked Sir should go away from the field, then watch him from a distance. Sir also agreed. Before long, I was asked to bat again and without Sir's trained eyes scrutinizing me, or so I thought, I felt more at ease and soon started to hit the ball well. Scrutinizing means what? Scrutinizing means to look at carefully. To look at carefully. This time Sachin felt very easy. He could hit the ball well because Sir was not close to him. This time Sachin felt very easy, so he could hit the ball well because Sir was not close to him. This time Sir agreed to let me join the camp. Now Sir agreed to let Sachin to join the camp. I was delighted. Who was delighted? Sachin was delighted. And I must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. Transformed means changed. The Sir gave him an opportunity that only give the changes in his life. That only bring the changes in his life. Okay children, what you studied in this passage? Sachin had not batted in the nets before, so he felt nervous with so many people around him when he was batting. When Sir was watching him closely, he did not play well. So Sir called Ajit separately and he informed that Sachin was too young to this camp. So he called him back here after some years. But Ajit's insistence, Sir, that Sachin was nervous and gave him one more chance to play. Also asked Sir to watch Sachin's play from a distance. Sir agreed. As Sir was not watch him closely, Sachin felt more at ease and hit the ball well. So Achrekar Sir agreed to join him in his camp. Okay children, have you got it?